Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. My name is Ms. Zebun Nisa and I am your science teacher. I will teach you science. In our new book, our unit 1 is human body. We will learn about the human body in the unit number 1. As you all know that our body is made up of different parts. Some parts are inside while some parts are outside the body. So the parts which are inside the body, they are called internal organs. They are called internal organs. The parts which are inside the body, they are called internal organs, and the parts which are located outside the body, they are called external body organs. What are external body organs? The parts which are located outside the body, like ears, nose, hands, foot, legs, fingers. These are the parts which are located outside our body. So they are called external body organs. So first of all, we will learn about the external body organs. Later on, we will discuss the internal body organs. In the external body organs, we have number first, eyes. Eyes plays an important role in our body because we can see everything with the help of our eyes. We can see our surroundings with the help of our eyes. We can see our books, we can read our books, or we can see one another with the help of our eyes. We can identify different colors, different shapes with the help of our eyes. If we have no eyes, we will not be able to see the colors, we will not be able to enjoy the world around us. How far something is, or how big something is, how small something is, all these we know with the help of our eyes, because when we see something, we can tell about that thing. If we cannot see anything, we cannot describe that thing. For example, something is far, we can say that this thing is far. If something is big, we can see them with the help of our eyes, so we can tell about that thing that it is big or it is small. So eyes are very important organ of our face or our body. We have next ears. We have two ears. We have two ears, and we can hear with the help of our ears. Ears helps us to hear. We can hear the loud sounds and the soft sounds. We can hear many sounds with the help of our ears. We can hear the loud sound of the drum with the help of our ears, and we can hear the soft sound of birds chirping with the help of our ears. We can hear many other sounds with the help of our ears, like we can hear the music, we can hear the traffic sounds, we can hear the different horns with the help of our ears. We can identify the different sounds of animals with the help of our ears. So ears also plays an important role in our body. We should take care of our ears. Okay, how you will take care of your ears? By keeping them clean and by not sticking anything in the ears, because if we stick anything in our ears, we will harm them. Okay, we have next nose. The next organ is nose. Nose is also very important part of our body because with the help of nose we can smell. We can smell with the help of our nose. If something smells good or something smells bad, we can smell them with the help of our nose. Like, look at the picture. Something smells good and something smells bad. On the one side there are flowers, on the other side there is garbage. The flower smells good and we can say that the flower smells pleasant. On the other hand, the garbage smells bad, which we can say that the garbage smells unpleasant. So we can smell these two with the help of our nose. We can feel them with the help of our nose. We have next tongue. We have tongue. With the help of our tongue, we can taste. We can taste different foods with the help of our tongue. There are different types of taste: sweet, salty, sour, bitter. These are different types of taste which we taste with the help of our tongue. Sweet tastes are those things like chocolates and other sweet things. We taste them with the help of our tongue. Salty things, we can also taste the salty things. Sour things, look at the lemon taste is sour. The lemon taste is sour. Bitter, we can also taste the bitter things if we taste something, so our tongue tell us about the taste of that thing. Like, look at the coffee beans, they taste bitter, or the bitter gourd taste is very bitter. If we taste the bitter gourd, you will know that its taste is bitter, and if you taste the lemon, you will know that its taste is sour. If you taste the cookies, you will know that its taste is salty, and if you taste the candies or chocolates, you will know that its taste is sweet. So these are different types of taste which we can feel with the help of our tongue. Teeth, we have another body part or another organ, teeth. We use our teeth to chew the food, or we can say teeth helps to chew. Teeth helps to chew the food. So these are our different body organs which we use for different tasks like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and teeth. These are our external body organs. In the next class, we will learn about the external internal body organs. Okay, so I will see you in the next class. All of you take care of yourself and learn the topic properly. I will ask you in the next class.